mind's a ride. Doing it big like I live in the Taj Mahal. And I don't get into flies, they fly. That's why they loving up. That's real, been the chick that they talking about. Damn is the words that come out their mouth. She look good, always, without a doubt. Ask for it, she back the cake.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nyc Made, y'all, and I am back with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the Miss Crew, whatever. If you're a return subscriber, hey y'all. So today we're cleaning out my car. Okay, so this is gonna be part 1, and then part 2 is gonna be decorating it. So it won't be in this video, sorry, but it will be in the next one. So stay tuned for both. It is a black and white thing. Hint, hint. Okay, so yeah. Let me see. It might get a little dark. Hopefully I hurry up and finish in time so y'all can see the outcome of my clean car. But yeah, your girl is back as a YouTube girly. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it.
Now, come on. While we wiggle around, look at them drooling. They ain't used to the sound. I keep them moving on. My ladies, put your hands in the air. It's all right now. We gon' keep you up on your feet the whole night now. Pop them bottles, yeah, drink that up, man. Got you feeling crazy? Well, that was the plan. They was waiting for me, wasn't ready for this. He got the game sold up. No, I'm talking about Swiss. So yeah, I know you wanna fight it, but why would you try? We got them shaking everything from the hood to Dubai. Yeah, we super big, man. Why would you lie? Come on.
And if you wanted it, I'll hate you. Shady of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel so what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real, you really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You getting mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same all day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not your violent witch. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. Missionary getting boring, can you switch positions? Honest say your song, you don't ever listen, no, no.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Bobby Valentino. Yeah, we can hear the angels calling us. Yeah, we can see the sunrise before us. Yeah, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. You know what I mean? Hey. Like a cop call. Hey. I make it say. Throwing the buck in the latest drop. I got stopped by a lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler. Sounding like a siren. Talking about know she the law, and she know I'm the ball, and she know I get high, above the law, and she know I'm wrong. She know I'm from the street, and all she want me to do is fuck the police. Talking about
the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. It's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love. The times that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. My love is blind, can you see my desires?
POV.
But I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begin.
And that is my clean car. Hi.